Okay guys, so this time we decided to rent the canoe instead of inflating our kayak. We are here at the Emerald Lake and you guys can see the boat rental right there. So we just rented the canoe and then doing a little bit. You can keep paddling if you want. Hey. Yeah, that's a board. So okay, this is really beautiful lake here. Wow, if you have your own kayak or boat, you can just launch right from there. Hi.
Are you happy now?
Yes.
Why are you happy?
Because I paid $75.
Oh, I knew that.
and I came to my dream place. I wanted to come from last year, Emerald Lake. The water is so awesome here. Emerald color.
Oh, I'm gonna.
Can you show the water? This is crazy color. Very clean, pristine color.
Did you wash the water?
Yeah, see there? So clean, so nice. So calm, so relaxing.
So looks like we can go around, eh?
Yeah.
Right? That
We'll
will
go
be a
all
nice.
the way 40, like a 45 minutes and then.
No, to walk you can go
Oh,
around.
yeah.
See?
I think it's a big hike there on both sides.
Yeah. So if we both do this, then it will work.
Yeah, right.
And it will go smoothly. Guru,
Yeah.
I want to go there.
Hmm?
I want to go that way.
Yeah, we'll go. This.
See, they got the other one.
Wow, this goes super fast. तेरी भन्दा सेल्फी खिच्ने किन बिहार गरेके हेर्नुस् त हजुर एमराल्ड लेकमा आएर सेल्फी खिच्दै फुर्सद छैन यस्तो राम्रो ठाउँमा कायाकिङ गर्न कति मजा आउँछ उहाँ हजुरलाई हेर्नुस् त
Jyoti Busal, which lake is this?
This is not Jyoti Busal, this is the viral traveler at Emerald Lake, Yoho National Park.
So guys, this lake is very good for kayaking and for canoeing. Yeah. Then I think it's like good at this time.
Is it worth it renting or bringing your own boat? What do you think?
I'll bring my own boat because I don't want to pay anything extra. But
And there is no time bound, right?
yeah, because right now we are rushing. Do you think we can make it by 7:45?
Easily. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
So,
Are you gonna talk or should I turn around?
so this mountain.
This one kind of in the video it feels like spray. No, it feels like that barrier lake.
Yeah.
But it's very calm because
Smoking
this is
up
not a
the
reservoir. Which side?
Might be relaxing, like if you see there,
Yeah, if you're not wearing slippers.
right?
But we are wearing slippers. So people are walking down there, right? It looks fun. I cannot see that boat place. Oh, it's there. We have to go over there. by 5:45. I don't know if then what time is it now, Jyoti?
Oh, we have 7 minutes only.
Oh, damn it.
Okay. Hey guys, thank you again for watching our video. And if you want to see awesome video like this all the time, then please hit that notification bell,
Subscribe, like, comment. Because Jyoti really likes to travel, and then
Yeah.
he really loves making videos.
Yeah, right.
And
so
then-
this is really good motivation for me. Like if you
And
guys subscribe and comment and
then
tell
he-
us what place you wanna see in our video.
And then Jyoti works hard everywhere, at work, in home, and then when making videos. So he really loves it when people appreciate him for what he does. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye bye. See you in next video.
See you at next stop, Invermere.
Bye
Do you
bye.
know we are going to Windermere Lake, and then we live in somewhere called Windermere. Haha.
Okay. Haha.
Bye bye.
Windermere.